Good morning. So you guys all know that the magazine's been having some issues. The pandemic definitely hasn't helped, but people are seeing more value right now in digital marketing where they can target certain audiences and see a definite return on their investment, whereas print ads are a little bit more vague. So we have come up with a brand new concept for the magazine that I think is going to totally solve a lot of our issues. The idea for the new magazine concept is that the magazine will be becoming a series of guides for living, working, and playing in our community. Each guide will have a theme and also include a mini directory of our members that are involved in businesses in that certain theme. Content for the magazine will be anything anybody would want to know as far as living, playing, and doing business in our community. We'll have a guide for creating a business and how all the different things that you need to do to be able to do business in Wiley in the community, and schools, anything that pertains to that certain theme for that issue. The visual design for the magazine is going to change too, to differentiate us from all the different publications in the area, and so we look different from any of the ad magazines or any of the other magazines that are being published in the area too. And we're also going to have some sort of a contest that encourages people to save each issue so that they have at the end a comprehensive community guide that includes everything they can think of. Like one issue is going to be based on new year, new you. So it'll be like health and fitness, beauty, anything like that. Another one's going to be local living, which will include schools and government, utilities, that kind of thing. So it's going to end up at the end of the year have a complete guide on everything they could possibly want to know about living, working, and playing in our community. And one of the best parts about this whole concept is that I'll be contacting all of our members this year, so it'll be a great way for us to for member retention as far as reaching out and making sure that we're staying connected with our members. I can ask them how things are going, make sure that everything is up to date for their directory listing, which is going to be huge. And then after that, I will be offering them to upgrade to an enhanced version of their directory listing, which will include a QR code similar to the one that you just used to find this video. And that will take the readers to either a video or to the business website so that they will get a, kind of more of an interactive experience when the readers are reading the magazine. And then once I've got all that set up and I've got the new information for the directory listing and they've agreed to that upgraded enhanced listing in the new magazine, then I'll also start to offer them an add-on as far as like an ad. I think we'll call them like profiles, or if it's going to be bigger, a whole story, if it's going to be a half a page, but something different that they can use to spotlight their business more as opposed to just general ads all over the place. So we're going to do it a little bit different and make more of an effort to spotlight the business as opposed to just offering specials or whatever all the other publications in the area do. But I really like that I'll be reaching out to all of our members in the course of a year so that we can have that touch point with them and let them know that we are here for them, that we're working. And I like that I'll get to know every single one of our members. I know it's going to be a lot of work, but I think it's totally going to be worth it in the end as far as member retention and also changing the concept of this magazine that is kind of not having a good year or not having a good time right now. So I think it will definitely help in a lot of different ways. And it also gets me a little more connected in the community so that I can continue to grow this magazine in a whole different direction. So we are meeting with Anne on Friday to discuss all the details and iron everything out. And I know I've kind of thrown a lot of information at you that I didn't fully explain yet because we don't really know everything yet. But I'm excited to give you guys an update on at our next meeting and let you know exactly what we've ironed out and further give you more details on everything and how everything's going to work out. But I just want you to know that I know the magazine is struggling, but don't give up on it. I know that we're going to turn this around, and it just is going to take a brand new concept and something for everybody to get excited about. So hang in there, we got this.